To measure resistance, always test for voltage first to ensure the circuit is dead. Next, confirm that the test leads are in the correct terminals to test for resistance. Select the resistance measurement type. There are two options. One has an audible symbol and the other has an ohm symbol. Both selections will provide a resistance measurement in ohms, but the audible selection will provide a constant beep if the resistance measurement is less than 40 ohms. The audible selection is commonly used to perform a continuity check. Using an AC whip as an example, a continuity check can identify which wire connects to which prong. First, place one lead to the wide prong. Next, touch each wire to identify the correct wire. The black wire does not beep. The white wire provides a constant beep. And the green wire does not beep. This concludes that the white wire is connected to the wide prong. The advantage of using the audible is that it is not necessary to see and read the display. The beep provides the indication. In another example, an HCB fuse is questionable and needs to be tested. Never use the audible option to determine if a fuse is good or blown. The correct method is to measure the resistance and confirm the resistance is 0 ohms, or very close to 0. A partially blown fuse can measure resistance low enough to cause an audible beep to sound. In conclusion, the ohm symbol option is chosen to test the resistance of a fuse.